everybody, welcome to my first Knitting with Linda vlog. It's vlog number 1 and I'm so happy that you're here today. I am going to be sharing with you I'm going to be doing a Knitting with Linda vlog once a month. And I will share with you my knitted projects, what I'm working on. And I also want to, in this particular video, explain to you what's going, what I plan going forward. So if you just bear with me a minute, I've left my notebook right behind you and I just need to get it because it's got all my notes on. Oh, one minute. There we go. That wasn't difficult, was it? Okay, so I'm going to be starting tutorials. So once a month on the Tuesday I will do a vlog sharing with you what I've been working on for the previous month, and then on the Thursday I'm going to be starting to do tutorials, and we're going to go right the way back to basics. I'm going to go through oh, something made a noise then. I'm going to go through casting on, knitting, purling. We're going to be doing teaching you how to do your cuffs, the knit one, purl one, cables. Later on down the line I'm going to teach you how to do cabling, lace work, how to cast off or bind off, all about pattern abbreviations, because the knitting abbreviations are universal. So whatever we use here in the UK, you use the same ones in America and all over the world. And what I plan to do is go through the yarn, ball bands, different what is written on ball bands, and I'm hoping to compile a little pamphlet for you. And that's what I plan to do. Hoping I can get that done. And all you have to do is, if you're interested in learning to knit, then just email me, and my email is always in the about page of my channel. So what have I been working on? Well, I haven't done much this week because I've been working on something for this particular vlog. So this is what I'm working on at the moment. I've not gone very far yet, but since I've been working on something that I could specifically show you. So that is the is it the star? Oh no, it's the Barcelona. I think it's the Barcelona. It's the Barcelona wrap. So that's what I'm working on, and I'm using Bramblewood yarn, which are based here in the UK, and this is 1,000 meters, and it's a 4-ply, and the product number is CA020, so it's C for Charlie, A for Alpha, and there's 267 grams, and it's a 30% wash, 30-degree wash, hand wash. So that's what I'm working on, and you can see the beads. I'm using iridescent beads. So I'm quite enjoying that, and I'm hoping to get some more of this done over the weekend. I've got a busy weekend, guys. The next one is, of course, as you all know, I'm doing with my beautiful Kim from Kim Crochets and Knits. We challenged each other to do a sock a month, a pair of socks a month, and we're already on March. So I've started March's. And this is called the yarn here is Exploding Gnome. I'm not sure where this yarn came from, but it's been in my stash. And these are Rick's socks. And I'm going to do us a matching, well, we're both going to have a pair of socks with this yarn. So this is called Exploding Gnome. I bought this from Angela from My Precious Yarnery. Angela and from My Precious Yarnery and Crystal from Bag a Day in the US. So Angela's in Canada, Crystal's in US, and Daniel is here up in Scotland in the UK. So yeah, so I'm using the Exploding Gnome, and I'm going to be doing myself a pair of socks, but these are Rick's at the moment, and I'm loving how it's kind of a mix match of colours, so I'm excited about that. Now, as I told you, I'm going to be doing tutorials, and I thought, what way can I show them how to increase, decrease, and do a pattern without doing swatches and without ending up with a load of squares that, you know, are all going to be different sizes and that. So the thing that I came up with, guys, was doll's clothes. So I've lost her little booty. She's lost her little booty. This is my doll, and hat. There we go. So what better way than to show you how to increase, how to decrease, to do patterns, which will teach you then making doll's clothes, because I think it will help you a great deal to understand how to without me having to make big projects. So I thought, well, I know some of us have got, this is my dolly, by the way, she won't be going anywhere, guys, this is my baby, and so I thought, let's make doll's clothes. I mean, I'm sure some of you have got grandchildren, daughters, and that, and I thought, you know, or you could give them to the Goodwill or sheltered home, you know, homes that, you know, children's homes and that. But I thought, so this is what I've been working on, guys, so I could show you. So I'll show you how to, we're even going to be learning, I'm going to even show you how to make a pair of panties and a vest for your dolly as well. So I'm really excited. So I love this pattern, and it's so easy to do. And down the line, once we get further down the line, we will actually start making clothes and that, and I've got, you know, my ideas are buzzing, guys. So if you've got this far, I'm really grateful, and thank you, and I hope you continue. And I've got a surprise, because as this is my first vlog, my first knitting vlog, called knitting with Linda, guys, knitting with Linda. I've got a little giveaway. I don't want you to put a giveaway in the comments, guys, please. I don't want that. What I want you to put is the word I want you to put for the giveaway is knitting. That's all you have to do. KNITTING. All I want you to do is put knitting. And the prize I've got for you, guys, let me put baby girl there. That's my baby girl. There we go. I've not given her a name. She's baby girl. So if anybody's got a name I could call her, that'd be great. So what I've got, is, I think, I haven't weighed it, you've got 4 of these, and I will put, oh no, I can't put the weight in, but there's enough here to make a shawl. I think there's about, oh, I don't know. I don't know, guys. I know there's must be at least 250 grams, which is more than enough. It's a lace weight, but with them I'm going to give a 3.5 circular Knit Pro Symphony knitting needle. Circular needles, not knitting, well, they are knitting. So that is the prize for one lucky winner, and the winner will be announced on my I'll do a video. I think I will do a video. Shall we leave it to the next vlog and I'll announce the winner in the next vlog? That might be good, and then that gives people time. So announce winner. Yeah, I'll do that. I'll announce the winner of, what I'll do is I'll take a little video of me picking the winner from the comments and slot it into the video. Would that be, that'll be fine, won't it? I'll do that, I think. So announce winner, which is, so yeah guys, so put the word knitting, I better write that down myself. So I don't forget. So word is knitting. So just put knitting into your comment. Don't put giveaway at all. If you put giveaway, I'll delete it. So yeah, I'm so excited. I hope you are excited as well. And if you've got any ideas, please let me know. All the knitting videos, even the Knitting with Linda videos, will be in the playlist You Can Knit Too. So that's the playlist I'm going to call, that's what I'm going to call the playlist, and every video that is pertaining to knitting, the vlog, you know, the Knitting with Linda videos, the tutorials are all going to be in that playlist. I'm so excited, and from what I got, the feedback that I got from my live was amazing, and I know it's always good to have a, you know, string to your bow, and it's sometimes for me personally, I kind of like to alternate between the do a bit of knitting, do a bit of crocheting, do a bit of knitting, you know, and then I don't get bored, guys. So, and I hope to see you all on Thursday for our first tutorial, and I will see you all again on Thursday. Take care, guys. Stay safe, but more importantly, be kind to you. And until next time, bye for now.